All right, so what happened here now, I have my bucket. So I'm gonna use this bucket and I'm gonna use this hoe and fill this bucket with all these rich, nice compost. Okay, so we have a bucket here. I'm gonna go over here. All right, guys. So these are the compost I get from under the leaves. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sift it to set my seeds then. So this is not dirt, this is compost. Okay, so now this is a piece of wire that I pick up. I pick it up, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sift my seeds, sift the dirt. So now, so when we sift the dirt, we're gonna get all the garbage like this, the chip from the tree, whatever little pieces of rocks. So we're gonna get them out. So we're gonna get the fine compost itself. You know what I'm saying? You see, so we're getting all these out of here, all these coarse one out of here, right? Okay. All right, guys, so this is the result. This is the result. So yes, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set some seeds. Oh man, my seeds them short in the bag. I think this is the peace snap, yeah. I'm just going to try and sow a few of them. So that's one. What I'm gonna do, you need to put them at least an inch down. So I'm gonna sow okay. So now we start from here. One. Yeah, you make sure you cover them, put them at least 1 inches down. Okay, so now you come now, and I'm just gonna cover them like this. So just like that, this is the seed we now set. This is Sugar Daddy. Peas Snap Sugar Daddy. Beautiful. The soil is so healthy. It's just growing nice and beautiful. Peace and love.